In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Mailchimp, a powerful tool for managing your email marketing needs. Whether you're just beginning or looking to streamline your business communications, setting up Mailchimp is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your internet browser and navigate to mailchimp.com. Once there, you'll notice a welcoming homepage that introduces you to the possibilities Mailchimp offers. To begin, locate and click on the Sign Up Free button. This is your entry point into Mailchimp's suite of tools, offering everything you need to kickstart your email marketing journey at no initial cost. In the next step, you'll see a form prompting you to enter your email address, username, and a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure, utilizing a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account from unwanted access. Once you've filled in these details, click to proceed. After signing up, it's crucial to verify your email address. Mailchimp will send you a confirmation email containing a link. Head over to your email inbox, find this message, and click on the link provided. This important step ensures that your email address is valid, allowing you to access all of Mailchimp's features seamlessly. Once your email is verified, you can log into your new account. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the Setup Wizard. This wizard is designed to help you provide essential business information and preferences. It might ask you about your company's name, website, and industry so that Mailchimp can tailor the experience to suit your specific needs. Take your time here to enter accurate and detailed information. With your account set up, it's now time to create your first audience list. An audience list in Mailchimp acts as a database of your contacts, which can include clients, newsletter subscribers, or any group you wish to reach. Navigate to the audience section and begin adding your contacts. You can easily import them from a file, paste them from a spreadsheet, or add them individually, whatever suits your current needs best. To make your emails engaging and gain new subscribers, you can customize sign-up forms. This feature allows you to personalize how people can subscribe to your list, tailoring it to match your brand's style and messaging. The more appealing and accessible your sign-up forms, the more likely you'll attract new subscribers. Once you've set up your audience, it's time to explore campaign creation and automation features. Mailchimp offers numerous templates and customization options to help you design stunning, effective email campaigns. You can also utilize automation to